Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Grey Wolf 25 RRT. Before we get started, this camper comes in right at 5,500 pounds empty and 30 feet 10 inches tongue to bumper. As we get started up front here, it comes with the power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. Has the hard shell cover with the quick access lid. Behind that we have your Group 27 deep cycle marine battery. We have the juice pack option on here, which means there's a 100-watt solar panel up top and the battery that comes with it. Diamond plate rock guard, we have your curved radius front end. Up front with the storage compartment, you'll notice lots of room in there. We have the integrated light as well. This camper comes equipped with power jacks, so there's going to be a switch underneath here. And how that works, one jack will come down and hit the ground first, the other one will come down and they will equal out in pressure. So you got a set in the front and a set in the back. Right down here, you'll notice this wolf head emblem. They have this holographic light shining down, so at nighttime that really pops, make you stand out at the campground. Nice feature that they've added here. We also have the reflective tint on all the windows out here. Large 15-foot power awning with a blue LED accent light underneath. Each arm is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. Oversized grab handle. We have your sturdy steps going in where each leg is adjustable. You can see the wolf emblem cut out here as well. Another nice feature. Full-size entrance door. It's the black tempered glass entrance door. As you can see, it has the integrated window there and full-size screen door. Outside entertainment center with your TV connections. Outside speakers that light up blue. Your TV bracket is the same bracket on the inside. So you simply lift your TV up, bring it out here, and slide it in. One thing I'd like to point out is we do have like an exhaust system on here, so these vents. So if you're traveling down the road, you can keep the fumes out. We got one vent here and one on the other side. Down below, the center cap is popped off. These are the quick easy lube axles. Each wheel has self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How this works is it will turn red if you're low on air. So you can just walk around and do a visual check before you leave for your next destination to make sure that you're good on air. We are pet friendly. We have your leash latch here so the furry family members can tag along. A nice bonus with the toy haulers is you get the ramp door patio system. As you can see, we have it all set up. It's got this screen for the porch that goes all the way around. There is a screen wall that will roll down as well to keep the bugs out. And then of course your LED porch light and your backup camera, which is included as well. Right here we have that other vent for that cross ventilation. Up top you'll notice it is prepped for a ladder, so you can purchase a ladder separately for roof maintenance purposes. Underneath we have your sewer hose holder, so you can store the sewer hose underneath when you are traveling or it is not in use. We have your furnace vent. This is a 30 amp unit. It comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord. We also have this light over here. It has its own on-off switch. By all your connections and dub stations, so if it's nighttime, you can see what's going on. Cable satellite connection. We also have your black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook up your water hose and blast out the tank there. We have your low pressure outside shower with hot and cold water. Right underneath that is your water fill station. On the right, we have your city water. So if you're at a campground, you hook up your water hose and that will pressurize the lines. We have your fresh water. So if you're going to be dry camping or boondocking, you fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. And then down below at the dump station, we have your gray handle for your gray tank and black handle for your black tank. And last but not least is your on-demand water heater. It is gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. It's about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past and have gone over very well for us. That concludes our outside walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 25 RRT, and now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice they have another light shining down with the Grey Wolf emblem here. Another cool feature that Grey Wolf has. As we step inside, you'll notice this is all open to the garage with the kitchen here, extra sleeping in the back, large windows. We'll get started on the inside. You can see that's what the vent looks like on the inside there. We have your main control panel, which is also Bluetooth, so you can sync your phone to it and run some options off your phone. You can turn your lights on and off, your water pump on and off, run your awning in and out, and check your tanks to see how full and empty they are. We have your 110 outlet there. Two large picture windows over here. Another 110 outlet. In the back, we have your dinette, which can also, you can fold the table down and make one big sleeping area or two individual beds back there. Up top, we have that screen wall, which will roll down. And as you can see with this patio open, it just lets in so much light, fresh air, and really changes the dynamics of the camper. We have your other vent in the back left corner there. We have overhead storage with the cabinet doors. Another window. And moving into the kitchen area, we have storage up above. Microwave with the range vent that will vent to the outside. Huge kitchen window. It's like the full length there. We have the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Farmhouse style kitchen sink. And that also has the cover with it as well. So you can use that as prep space if you are not using the sink. 3-burner stove that also has the prep cover with it. So you would lift that up to use the stove. Storage down below. We have your drawers on the left-hand side. Furnace duct down below. Storage underneath the sink. And then that is your furnace directly underneath the oven there. As you move over underneath the refrigerator, we have your breakers and fuses. On that box on the left-hand side, we have your voltmeter, since we have the juice pack option. To the right with the green light is your carbon monoxide detector, and the red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch. So that will kill all 12-volt power to your battery. We have your 12-volt refrigerator. This is more of a residential size refrigerator. As you can see, it is much deeper than the previous gas electric refrigerators, since it does not need the same ventilation. We have your entertainment center over here. TV bracket with the connections up top. We have your stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible. More storage. And down below with the shoe garage, so you can kick your shoes off right inside the door here. As we move in the hallway, going to the bathroom and bedroom, we have your thermostat. It is a digital thermostat, and that will control your air conditioner and your furnace. And as we move into the bathroom here, you'll notice right up above the toilet, we have the high-speed exhaust fan. So that will move a lot of air through here as well. Down below with the toilet, which is at an angle, we have your vanity area, a large sink in here. A lot of times you find a very small sink in the bathroom, and it has storage down below it as well. Great counter space, 110 outlet. That is going to be your thermostat for your on-demand water heater. On the left-hand side there, you can turn it on and off and adjust the temperature. We have your medicine cabinet. We also have your corner shower with a skylight up above it for extra room, extra light in there. Corner showers are great, gives you a lot of room. Has the built-in shelves over there as well. And right back here, you do have some extra storage in the bathroom area. As you can see, we got the 2 extra shelves in here. So great sized bathroom. Lots of room, lots of space in here. And great lighting as well. And now we will go up into the bedroom area. With the bedroom area, this is a queen size bed. We have 110 and 12-volt charge ports on both sides of the bed. As you can see over here on the left-hand side. That is also going to be a dock for a portable speaker that you can purchase. It would be a Bluetooth speaker, and you could plug it in and charge it up right there. At the foot of the bed over here in the corner, we have TV connections, so you can add a TV in the bedroom if you'd like to. We have your window over here. There's actually a window on both sides, so you can get cross ventilation that way. We have hanging storage over here behind that mirrored cabinet door. Storage up top, and that has the cabinet doors on it, so you can utilize that while traveling as well. And more hanging storage off to the right hand side. Over here, you'll notice this outlet looks a little bit different. That outlet actually has an inverter built into it, so you can run that with just your 12-volt power and make that outlet hot right there. And we will head back out to the living room area, get a nice overview of the camper one more time for you. And that will complete our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 25 RRT. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.